Hello, this is my Atari 2600 assignment 2. Uh, I will be demonstrating it first and then I'll go over the code. So if I reset it, I can move the blue cube around. I made one of the sprites blue and another one red, and can move these guys as you can see, and if the program detects collision, it will change the color of the screen. Um, and there we go. Okay, so the code itself is fairly simple. Um, we have to set a position for the player 1, player 2, and then their visible lines on which they will be drawn. Um, this is fairly standard setup stuff here, with the exception of setting the background color and the color of the two players. So if I were to change this to say 35, I could change the color of the second player to orange. And then setting the white positions for player 1 and player 2, and the horizontal length of the players, VSync stuff here, and this is the player 1 movement. So we essentially just load in uh, the binary numbers, the binary combination for, and each of these corresponds to a direction for each player. So there's 8, so 4 directions per player, and we essentially just do, if we want to go up, we just do the third one. If we want to go down, we do the fourth one. Left, second one, and then right, first one. And of course, it's the same thing except shifted over for 4 bits in the for player 2. So it's essentially the exact same thing except um, shifted over 4 bits for second player. This is the collision detection here. So this moves player 1, this moves player 2 independently. Player 1 moves with the not WSD keys, the arrow keys. Player 2 moves with the FTGH, and that's a setting um, in 8-bit workshop here. You can remap them if you want, but I just stuck to the defaults. And here we have the collision detection. So if we detect a collision, we we do uh, we set we change the color of the background, and if we don't detect the collision, we reset the collision register, or it resets actually every time so that it can continue to happen. Um, and then down here, this is if we check. This is basically drawing the player. So first we check if the player is supposed to be drawn on that line, and if it's not, then we skip it. We turn it off, and if it is supposed to be on, we draw it with the enam 0 for player 1 register. Actually, these are missiles. Um, well, technically the computer thinks they're missiles, and we do the exact same thing. We check if the player 2 is supposed to be on. If it is, we turn. If it's not, we turn it off. If it is, we turn it on, and then we're done. That's the whole program. Thank you.